Now this is a little more of a, this is a different angle. Before it was a 45. This is more like a 35-degree angle. Oh, this right here. So let's go ahead and pull forward. We're going to turn a lot later this time around. All right, we have tons of room, by the way. There's a million different ways you can set up. I'm just going to show you the way I do it. All right, hard right. A lot of time too, you can nearly get a straight back out of it. All right, so as you can see, I'm pointing. I can see in both mirrors here. I can see this corner, and I can see this corner. So let's get my. So I just got to do a straight back and start turning. This was a lot simpler. I could have probably have even turned a little sooner and got 100% straight back. Let's see if I can pull that off. So this time we're going to turn just when maybe the center of the axles get to the first part of the yellow line. All right, we're going to crank it hard to the right. So 3, 2, 1, here. So hard right. We're going to keep hard right. Missing the wall. Hard left. And yeah, we basically got a straight back. And that should be always your goal. All right, is to get a straight back. That way you're doing all the maneuvering going forward, and very little going backwards. You know, again, there's always, even though you're doing a straight back, you're still balancing the trailer.